against another human's face and mixing your saliva all up.
Premieres next Sunday at 10:30 on Adult Swim.
Parents strongly caution, the following programs are intended for mature audiences over the age of 18. These programs may contain some material that many parents would not find suitable for children and may include intense violence, sexual situations, coarse language, and suggestive dialogue.
Dude, I just feel like
Drake just make more pop music. I just fuck with that.
I just feel
Who's
like
making Drake's beats, bro? Like, I swear, is it just him?
Drake?
Yeah.
Drake? No, he doesn't make beats.
He doesn't make beats. Who's making his beats? That's the only thing carrying him. I mean, he's fantastic, whatever.
He's got flow.
He's got flow, but like, someone needs to give the flowers to the beat maker.
Yeah, no, I know. Who made it? The guy with the cancer made it, yeah. Like the white guy.
That's some level of gatekeeping. He don't
40.
make beats for just nobody. He's dying.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, you can't talk to him.
No,
You gotta go through
40.
me.
That's his guy. That's his guy.
shout out.
Is he beating it?
Huh?
Is he beating it? The cancer?
No, it's not.
I think it's just this fuck ass lighting.
Aurora, middle camp.
What?
What do you have to say for yourself?
About what?
You've been accused of 4 counts
4 counts.
of intent to molest and perversion.
General perversion.
Just general pervertry.
What are the allegations? You have to be more specific.
The allegations are you doing
I'll make your I'll play up.
like clearly mimicking.
Insert the
Like-
proof.
Me put.
We have videos
Yeah, I'll
of
put
it.
a clip in.
We have videos of it. We'll go back. We'll find. We have archive footage, plenty of it, of you being a pervert.
Oh my god. Like,
Yeah.
okay, that's just one thing. What else?
What else do you do?
Bro, don't
Lots
do
of
that shit,
just
Aurora.
like,
Don't do that
you know,
shit.
very perverted like talk. Very perverted like just perverted vibes.
Oh my god,
You know?
sorry I'm not in first grade.
just
Like
walking
some
around like-
people. Yeah, like hello. I'm a hey
I'm like,
mamas.
damn, bro. Like,
Wow.
chill.
You might like.
Oh my god, hello.
Pervert.
I am not a pervert.
Pervert alert.
Okay. I am here.
What do you have to say for yourself?
Today's word is pervert.
Pervert.
Dude, whoever-
Hey,
He
guys,
is for
back me
pervert.
up.
Dude,
We
nobody's
have
a
a pervert
pervert
over
here,
here.
dude.
Dap me up.
No.
Dap me up.
Wait.
Hey,
What?
Okay.
hey, pervert alert. Hey, explain why.
Oh, him,
Give-
not
give-
me, not me.
Two reasons why she's a pervert. Go ahead.
You endorse
Yeah,
this,
give me
Johnny.
two
Come on.
Go ahead.
reasons.
Go for it.
You endorse this.
I don't know what
Alright.
you're talking about.
See,
Yo,
Why
okay.
is Aurora a pervert?
I'm just. Oh wait, I don't know what you're talking about.
We're talking about why Aurora is a pervert.
Because.
That's fun, and I'm with.
She forgot
Oh
to
my
put
God.
it.
You admit it.
Oh, okay.
Oh my
Bro,
God.
we don't even need. Like, you're self-snitching, bro.
Fuck.
Where's this
Oh,
coming
fuck.
from?
Terrible.
You
Wait,
got-
why are you a pervert though?
I'm not.
Well, you said you were though. I wasn't. I didn't say anything.
Pervert.
I didn't say anything. It's just like.
Misha, what are we
Explain
done?
it. Why is she a pervert?
Girl, what the fuck?
Why is she a pervert? Why is she a pervert? Explain.
If I had tits right now, you'd be looking straight at them.
And zoom
Whoa!
zooming in.
True, you'd be looking straight at him.
Got 2 layers.
Straight at him. You see that? She would be looking straight at those tits, bro. Alright. Why is Aurora a pervert, Davo?
Multiple instances of her zooming in as tight as the camera can go
Oh, true!
into a set of breasts.
Okay.
That's true!
Okay.
That's true!
Okay,
That's not
okay.
even, that's true!
Okay.
Yeah, wait.
I remember though.
What, let's hear the
Dude,
perversion. Let's hear the perversion.
I was eating like chicken with Aurora and she only ate the breast.
Oh, pervert!
No. Alright.
Pervert. What do you have
Where's-
to say for yourself?
Then you only ate
You've been accused of 4 counts of perversion, 3 counts of intent to molest. What do you say?
Where's your sense of humor? It was just
Oh, you hear that? You hear that? She's using cancel culture as an excuse. Yeah. Oh, you hear that?
Women be like,
Oh. Okay.
Like, where's your joy? Like,
Oh, you hear that?
Like,
you hear that? She can't take accountability, guys. Oh, she can't take accountability. Oh,
Yeah.
wow, pervert, 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 pervert. Okay. Why are you gay? Who is gay?
do you wear wigs?
Do you wear wigs? Have you worn wigs? Will you wear wigs? Yeah.
Sick backpack.
Okay.
Look at this. Look at this. Alright, 12
Isn't that shit crazy?
Dude, he's a walking red flag, dude.
Hello, officer.
Dude, that's my cat. That's my cat as a person.
Right?
Look at this fucker.
That's
You
literally.
ain't getting no smoke off that bitch.
Dude, a fucking degenerate.
I felt both. Like I loved watching his movies and hated it at the same time. And then really faded, sitting there watching like a 3-hour David Lynch film, and I was like, I can't tell what's happening. And I know none of us do, and we're all faded enough to not really keep on.
Watching Mulholland Drive, bait.
Something of the sort.
Yeah.
A lady in some movie set, and then she's getting stalked. And then
Oh, the duct tape hurts so much. Ow, ow, Oh my god. was a good. That was a good purchase. It's a good purchase. Oh, food. The trucks. We'll be fine.
Yeah.
I don't know. This is like some weird like industrial pocket.
Yeah,
it's not even
it was like
I don't,
red,
except for Radius, it's like
well, Radius used to be like an actual used to be.
Oh really? That makes
They have like 4 floors.
Yeah, it's so fun.
So good.
That place is amazing.
Is this the O.J. Simpson car? Doesn't this look like the O.J. Simpson car?
It does. It does.
It's white. Well,
Damn, bumper and all.
you know. I'm not gonna say that O.J. did it, but
There's evidence, and we're looking at it.
we see the evidence right here.
I mean, this Loki might be.
Flash before. That's why I was paranoid, because I've been kicked out of the concert before with that specific reason. We're also under